Nearly a million billion videos already exist on YouTube that will show you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. So I better have a pretty good excuse for adding even one more video to that jungle of videos. Good or bad, here is my excuse. Of the million billion videos that already exist, some are better than others, but they are all variations on the same idea. The idea that starts something like, a fraction is a part of a whole, and they immediately start cutting up pizza pies. Cutting up pizza pies seems like a good way to introduce fractions, but it is obviously not good enough. Students have a lot of trouble learning fractions, and most adults have trouble with fractions, ratios, and percents. No doubt there are many reasons learning fractions is difficult, but here is an obvious one. Few people have a good number sense for fractions. For example, even small children will quickly object to the statement 2 plus 2 equals 5. But show people 1/2 plus 1/3 equals 2/5, and it's the rare person who will immediately exclaim, wait a minute, something's not right here. It is not obvious to anyone that 2/5 is the wrong answer. So students lack a good number sense for fractions just when they need it most, at the beginning, when they are first learning the arithmetic of fractions, and that certainly makes it hard to learn fractions. In this video series, I take a different approach to the arithmetic of fractions. Whether or not it is a better approach, you will be the judge. But let me say briefly what that approach is. In the modern view, a fraction is any number that comes out of a division of two whole numbers. So what? We already know that 1/2 is 1 divided by 2, and 2/3 is 2 divided by 3, and so on. In this new definition, however, 12 over 2 is also a fraction. But 12 over 2 means 12 divided by 2, and that is 6. Is 6 a fraction? Yes. Furthermore, so are 2, 3, 4, and so on. Every whole number is a fraction. In fact, we can think of whole numbers as fractions with denominator 1. So 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1, and so on. Whole numbers are fractions. But if that's true, that means all these years you have been adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing whole numbers. You have been doing the arithmetic of fractions. In this video series, we will use whole numbers to illuminate every mysterious, confusing aspect of the arithmetic of fractions. So far as I know, I'm the only person taking this approach. Is it a better approach? You will be the judge of that.